Hello everyone, welcome to Samni's classes. Today we will discuss some current question, but first we will discuss on the previous current question. Let's start a short quick revision. First, South Power practice was made in Jaisalmer. India's first cyber tehsil is made in Madhya Pradesh. Parveen Sinha has been selected for Interpol Executive Committee. The fourth Scorpion class submarine involved in the Indian Navy is INS Vela. Sheikh Sabah Al Khalid Al Sabah became the new Prime Minister of Kuwait. Let's know more about in Hindi language. साउथ पावर प्रैक्टिस जो बनाई गई है वो जैसलमेर के अंदर बनाई गई है। भारत का पहला साइबर तहसील मध्य प्रदेश के अंदर है, बनाया गया है। परवीन सिन्हा इंटरपोल कमेटी के लिए सेलेक्ट हुए हैं। जो भारत की फोर्थ स्कॉर्पियन क्लास सबमरीन है जो इंडियन नेवी में शामिल की गई है उसका नाम है INS वेला। और शेख सबा अल खालिद अल सबा कुवैत के नए प्रधानमंत्री बने हैं। लेट्स नो अबाउट मोर क्वेश्चन। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच वर्ड हैज डिक्लेयर द वर्ड ऑफ द ईयर 2021 बाय द मैरी वेबस्टर डिक्शनरी। द आंसर इज vaccine. Now let's know more about it. Merriam-Webster English is American most trusted online dictionary for definition, sense and pronunciation. It is declaring word of the year since 2008. Let's know more about in Hindi. जो मैरी वेबस्टर इंग्लिश अमेरिकन जो डिक्शनरी है वो एक ट्रस्टेड विश्वास पात्र ऑनलाइन डिक्शनरी है जिसमें कुछ परिभाषाएं हैं और उसमें कुछ जो है उच्चारण संबंधी जो काफ़ी वर्ड जो मिलते हैं और ये 2018 से शब्दों को जो है घोषित कर रहा है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज वेयर वॉज द फर्स्ट herbal festival organized? The answer is Jammu Kashmir. Let's know more about it. Herbal waterfall, which is also known as Kashmir Niagara Falls, is a hill station in the southwest part of the Kashmir Valley in Jammu and Kashmir. The LT Governor of Jammu and Kashmir is Manoj Sinha. लेट्स नो मोर अबाउट इन हिंदी। इहेरबल जो वाटरफॉल है वो कश्मीर का नियाग्रा फॉल के रूप में जो है जाना जाता है। ये कश्मीर के जो साउथ पार्ट है उसमें घाटी में जो ये स्थित है और जम्मू और कश्मीर के LT गवर्नर मनोज सिन्हा हैं। ओके, लेट्स नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Next question is where will the 7th Indian International Science Festival be held? The answer is Panji, Goa. Let's know more about it. 7th edition is going to be held in Panji, Goa by 10 to 13 December 2021. The subject of the festival is celebrating creativity in science, technology and innovation for prosperous India. The first IISF was held in New Delhi in 2015. Let's know more about in Hindi. 7वां जो एडिशन है वो पणजी गोवा में 10 से 13 दिसंबर 2021 तक होगा और इस उत्सव का जो विषय होगा वो है सेलिब्रेटिंग क्रिएटिविटी इन साइंस टेक्नोलॉजी एंड इनोवेशन फॉर पर्पज, ये इसका विषय होगा। और जो फर्स्ट IISF हुआ था वो नई दिल्ली के अंदर 2015 में हुआ था। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन विच कंट्री द वर्ल्ड फर्स्ट फ्लोट सिटी शुड बी मेड? द आंसर इज साउथ कोरिया। लेट्स नो मोर अबाउट इट। फ्लोटिंग सिटी project is a joint effort of UNA Human Settlement Program and OSNEX. The city will be built on the bank of Busan in South Korea and it is likely to be complete by 2025. South Korea capital Seoul. South Korea currency South Korean won. President of South Korea Moon Jae-in. Let's know more about in हिंदी। फ्लोटिंग जो तैरता हुआ शहरी प्रोजेक्ट है वो एक साझा प्रोजेक्ट है UN ह्यूमन सेटलमेंट और ओसनेक्स का। और ये जो शहर है ये बनाया जाएगा बुसान और साउथ कोरिया के किनारे पर, जो कि 2025 में जो है बनकर तैयार होगा। अब साउथ कोरिया के बारे में जानते हैं। साउथ कोरिया की जो कैपिटल है वो सियोल है और साउथ कोरिया की जो मुद्रा है वो साउथ कोरियन वोन है और वहाँ के जो प्रेसिडेंट राष्ट्रपति है वो मून जे इन हैं। गो टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु हैज वोन द Malaysian Open Squash Championship 2021? Who has won the Malaysian Open Squash Championship 2021? The answer is Saurav Ghosal. Let's know more about it. He has became the first Indian squash player. Second, seeded Ghosal defeated Colombia's Miguel Rodriguez from 11-7, 11-8 and 13-11 in the men's single final in Kuala Lumpur 2021. Malaysian Open Squash App Women's Single title won the IFA Ajman of Malaysia. Let's know more about in हिंदी। वह भारत के पहले स्क्वैश प्लेयर जो है बन गए हैं और उन्होंने जो है कोलंबिया के मिगुएल रोड्रिगेज को 11-7, 11-8 और 13-11 से जो है हराकर जो है फाइनल जीता है। और जो महिलाओं का जो सिंगल टाइटल है वो जीता है आफिया अजमन है मलेशिया की। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु हैज बीन अपॉइंटेड द न्यू CEO ऑफ ट्विटर? The answer is Parag Agarwal. Let's know more about it. He has been appointed after leaving the post of co-founder Jack Dorsey of social media veteran. He is now the youngest CEO in S&P 500. From Twitter 21 March 2006. Twitter headquarters San Francisco, California, United States. Let's know more about in हिंदी। वह उनको अपॉइंट किया गया है उन्होंने जब को फाउंडर जैक डोर्सी ऑफ सोशल मीडिया की जो पोस्ट है उन्होंने जब छोड़ी, और वो सबसे यंगेस्ट जो है अब सीईओ है। और ट्विटर की जो स्थापना है वो 21 मार्च 2006 में हुई, और ट्विटर का जो हेड क्वार्टर है वो सन फ्रांसिस्को, कैलिफोर्निया, यूनाइटेड स्टेट अमेरिका के अंदर है। लेट्स गो टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हु इज द सेंट्रल इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स एंड कस्टम बोर्ड न्यू प्रेसिडेंट? आंसर इज विवेक जोहरी। लेट्स नो मोर अबाउट विवेक जोहरी. He was replaced M. Ajit Kumar. He is the Indian Revenue Services of 1985 batch, CBIC headquarter, New Delhi, India. CBIS formed 26 January 1944. Next question. Which Establishment Day has celebrated on November 28 by NSS? The answer is 73. Let's know more about it. NCC was formed on July 15, 1948. NCC is also the largest uniformed young organization in the whole world. NCC headquarters is located in New Delhi. I am repeating, NCC was formed 15 July 1948, and NCC is also the largest uniform younger organization in the whole world. NCC headquarters is located in New Delhi. Go to next question. Which book has been released by M.M. Narwane? The answer is Bangladesh Liberation 50 Years, Bijoy with Sindhji India Pakistan War 1971. Let's know more about it. The book is an amalgamation of the historical and anecdotal account of the 1971 war and include both the author of Indian and Bangladesh most who fought the war. Now, next question. Skyroot has tested the first privately built cryogenic rocket engine of India. What is the name of that? The answer is Dhawan 1. Let's know more about it. Establishment of Skyroot Aerospace 12 June 2018. Skyroot Aerospace headquarters is Hyderabad, Telangana. The headquarters is Telangana, Hyderabad. Skyroot Aerospace co-founder, CEO and CTO Pawan Kumar Chandana. Skyroot Aerospace co-founder, COO Naga India, Dhaka. Naga India, Dhaka. Next question. Who has become the non-executive director of Hero Motor Corporation? The answer is Rajneesh Kumar. Rajneesh Kumar became the non-executive director of Hero Motor Corporation. Let's know more about Rajneesh Kumar. He is currently working as an independent director in the board of many other companies include HSBC, Asia Pacific, LT, Infotech, and there are also non-executive presidents of Regulate Innovation, Bharat Pay. Next question is, with whom Bajaj Allianz General Insurance has dealt with drone insurance? The answer is Tropogo. Let's know more about it. Bajaj Allianz General Insurance drone has become the fourth insurer. HDFC Ergo was the first insurer to launch drone insurance cover in June 2020. Then in August 2021, ICICI Lombards and last month Tata AIG. Bajaj Allianz General Insurance Establishment 2001. The headquarters is Pune, Maharashtra, and the CEO and MD is Tapan Singhal. The CEO and MD is Tapan Singhal, and the headquarters is Pune, Maharashtra, and the establishment day year 2001. Next question. Cherry Blossom Festival 2021 where was celebrated? Answer is Meghalaya. Let's know more about it. This festival was held in two places, Ward Lake and Polo Ground in Meghalaya. It is also known as Pernus Cercidus. These flowers underline the Himalayas and cover the east and west Khasi hills. Next question is, where is the Indian Railway built the world highest bridge? The answer is Manipur. Let's know more about it. At present, the 139 meter high Mala Rijeka viaduct built in Montenegro is the record of the highest ferry bridge. About the bridge, this bridge is being built as a height of 141 meters. At present, the world highest is 139, but when it became the height of that bridge is 141. The total length of Manipur bridge will be 703 meter. Once completed, this project will be able to make the passenger a distance of 111 kilometer in 2 and 2.5 hour. Okay, so we can say that it is the highest bridge. Next question. Next question is, who are the new prime minister of the Czech Ganrajya? The answer is, new prime minister of the Czech Ganrajya. Answer is Peter Fiala. Let's know more about him. Fiala has replaced Andrej Babiš. Czech capital is Prague. Currency Czech koruna. President Milos Zeman. I'm repeating. Fiala has replaced Andrej Babiš. Czech capital is Prague. Currency Czech koruna. And the president is Milos Zeman. Okay. Next question is, which state start the tourist street project? The answer is Kerala. Let's know more about it. Capital of Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Kerala's governor Arif Muhammad Khan. Chief Minister of Kerala Pinarayi Vijayan. Pinarayi Vijayan is the Chief Minister of Kerala and the governor is Arif Muhammad Khan and the capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Next question is, which Rising Day was celebrated by BSF on 1 December 2021? The answer is 57th. Let's know more about it. BSF was formed on 1 December 1965. It is one of the 5 central armed police force of the Union of India and stand as the largest board guarding force in the world. BSF has been called the first line of defense of Indian territories. Director General of BSF Pankaj Kumar Singh. BSF headquarters is New Delhi. Next question is, who wrote the book Democracy, Politics and Governance? Answer is A. Surya Prakash. Let's know more about him. Vice President of India Venkaiah Naidu has released this book on the 72nd anniversary of adopting Constitution of India. Next question is, who has been appointed the head of National Defence College? The answer is Manoj Kumar Mago. Manoj Kumar Mago is appointed the head of National Defence College. Let's know more about him. He is living in Ludhiana. Lieutenant General Mago, who passed from Indian Military Academy, Dehradun, was commissioned in the 7th Battalion of Guard Brigade in 1984. Later, he took charge of 16 Guard. Next question. Next question is, coal your cop? Who has launched the mobile app? Answer is Nagaland Police. Let's know more about it. Nagaland's DGP T. Johan Long Kumar. The app was developed by Excelsis Tech Solution Private Limited. Chief Minister of Nagaland, Nephew Roy, Journal Governor of Nagaland is Jagdish Mukhi. Jagdish Mukhi is the Governor of Nagaland and Nephew Roy is the Chief Minister of Nagaland. Next question is, which is the first Indian city to start roopway service? Which is the first Indian city to start roopway service? The answer is Varanasi. Let's know about Varanasi. Its outlay is more than Rs 400 crore, which is divided between the central government and the state government at 80:20. Bolivia and Mexico, which is used for public transport. India will be the world third country. UP capital is Lucknow. UP Governor Anandiben Patel and the UP Chief Minister is Yogi Adityanath. Next question is, who has launched the young program Year Next? The answer is All India Radio. Let's know more about it. All India Radio establishment in 1936. Headquarter Parliament Marg, New Delhi, and the owner of All India Radio is Prasar Bharati. Next question is, who is the world's new republic? The answer is Barbados is the new republic. Let's know more about it. This is the first time an English colonization in 1625. It got independence in 1966. The Caribbean island nation Barbados removed the Queen Elizabeth II from the post of head. Dame Sandra Purinilla Mason assumed the charge as the president of Barbados. Barbados capital is Bridgetown and Barbados currency is Barbados dollar. Next question is, when World AIDS Day is celebrated? The answer is 21 December. Let's know more about it. World AIDS Day is celebrated on 1 December every year from 1988. Finish the theme inequalities of World AIDS Day this year. Finish AIDS and finish the epidemic. Who is the first woman president of Indian Mountaineering Foundation? The answer is Harshvanti Bist. Let's know more about her. She is from Uttarakhand. She is 62-year-old. She achieved 60 votes out of 107 votes. This is the first time that a woman has been selected as president of the IMF, which was established in the year 1958. Let's know what you learn, and we will give you a task, and you will also give the answer in the comment box section. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. First question is, where was the first Herbal festival organized? In which country the world first floor city should be made? Skyroot has tested the first privately built cryogenic rocket engine of India. What is the name of that? Who is the world new republic? Now, if you like the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.